Wow, what a nice day. What was that?
Jody, you are hiccups?
That Mario. Oh my god.
What happened to you?
Oh my god, Mario, you got the hiccups.
Jody, you are hiccups.
Oh my god, I have
What you do?
holy cow. Hold your breath for a long time.
What we do? I know a good idea. Let's kill him.
Yeah.
Judge it work.
Oh man.
I know a good idea. Give me double. Give me double.
Oh.
Did it work?
Wait. My hiccups are gone.
Oh, that's why it didn't work. What are you going to do?
I don't know.
Sonic, you need to do shopping. Oh, this. We have to do something.
Time to kill him.
Oh! No, to kill my dad. Why are you killing my dad?
Man, that didn't work.
Boo! Yo.
Ooh, puppy.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, you okay?
Oh, yes.
Do you have more hiccups?
Oh no. I am so.
Oh, good idea.
What happened to me? I am so.
Oh, I hate. Where's my daddy? Where's my daddy?
My hiccups are gone.
Oh, no, you have hiccups. Let me do something to you. Let me do something to my dad.
What do you think he's gonna do?
Yeah. Oh, you okay, Jody?
Yay! My hiccups are gone.
I need to do something with movie Sonic. I need to go idea. Hi. Yeah.
Oh. That was so.
Do you have more hiccups? Let me do something.
Hear any hiccups? It worked. Our hiccups are
Okay.
gone.
Oh, it didn't work. Only good idea. Yep. Okay, wait. Do this. Let me get something.
Oh. This is so ugly.
Yeah. Did it work?
Yay, I got rid of my hiccups.
Okay, let's wait.
Got them.
You do have more hiccups. Good.
No, Jeffy got hiccups. You got hiccups now. Oh.
You have more hiccups. Oh no, don't tell me that. Oh no, Jody, I have hiccups.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Hiya.
Ooh.
Wait, estamos haciendo un video. Jeffy, you got rid of your hiccups? Oh my god, okay.
Do something. Let's see if I have more hiccups.
Let's show him a creepy video.
Huh? What are you gonna put?
Wait. Those look scary eyes. Okay, Jeffy, would this work?
Okay.
Wait.
skip. Oh, you can. Oh, so like that.
The gods have spoken.
Bro.
Are you serious?
Sending you clean, heavenly body wash.
Wait, his
With
chest was just.
Look at this. And it was scaring him.
Nothing happens.
It was scaring him.
It's so scary. I don't want to watch it.
Let's see if he got rid of the hiccups.
Okay.
Here is
3, 2,
Do you
1.
hear any? Yay!
I don't
our
have more
are gone. Our hiccups are gone.
Okay, stop.
Yeah, let's do the dance. Dun, 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 dun,
Wait, Johnny,
dun.
before we dance, can you give me McDonald's?
No. Dun, dun,
Please,
dun, dun,
please,
dun.
please.
Okay, here's a McDonald's. Dun, 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 dun,
Thank
dun.
you.
Dun, 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 dun. Hot dog. We're going to do 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 do.